ne do alobia ye beti we. Va me we. Sharon Israel ono mu we ari owa. A reason ogu mu we ari owa. Mama you go up WhatsApp group because we keep quiet. Because we don't want to talk. If we know so now go this far. Oh Rihanna. Oh Ria. Oh Ria. Now I have somewhere anywhere when the government is view. That girl tried to be everything that she changed her life never to be like her mother. One word there is where you total, you know. What a shame and disgrace. Una when they go to gather money for WhatsApp group, they take carry Sharon go ask. Una go wait to. Sharon talking with him man say he not go fit leave pikin for him mama. Him mama not sabi take care of pikin. Is he a gwagba or more?
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My people, I don't understand. I see one video where one lady do say they want carry Sharon but they go Nigeria. They say they don't go bury her for Europe here. So everybody they vex, they say why they will do that kind of thing, all those things. Me not understand though. Why una we be friends they do say na una the thing paying pass. So you're not paying mama we carry her for 9 months. Una want me say mama they happy say picking by now only 12 the night born. Una want me say mama na we just they happy say picking by. The way wanna say they talk the thing they surprise me. I don't understand. Say if they want carry the body go Nigeria. Now then they know where they want bury and put now. Well now we be friends they overreact for this thing. Me I don't understand though. So now one time they say mama now you not pay now. Say picking by I be he happy. He say mama carry his boyfriend go the house where Sharon buy. I don't understand. If the boyfriend can't go there, go greet him, mama, I miss him there this day. He must go there, go greet him, mama. Now. I don't understand though, my people. It can't be like saying that the friends, the team paying past the mama. He paying everybody. Even we will not be our friends, we will not they call each other. He still paying us. Nobody where the team not pay. Nobody. He paying everybody. But more will take them easy. Now we don't want you come to say if they want to go bury and you buy tickets, follow them. You tell all of them, make they swear if they get on this side. You will be friend to contact mama.
Your boyfriend can't do for your picking house. Wow, now the plan to carry this guy go Nigeria. I was in that place. People were in coma. They were waking up every day. But my friend no wake up. I was playing Jerry Eze for her every day. I call people when I know when Sabi pray. I know Sabi pray. I start to pray. I start to pray. When I see the innocent girl like that, I tell her, say, you get children. Sharon tell me when she was alive. I tell her, say, Giari cool. Giari a party. Or we yate walili wejo vije a party na. Ya wajo. In a Giahiania. Gia somewhere in Israel. Or we God forbid. Or we yate somewhere in Israel. Or we jene gwa kokomo. Ija we told me we don't hear babo gume. E Sharon we jine gwa kokomo. Or we jine suya 5 and 6 no. Ija ke we suya re ovinye ya lelo ma to revestapi. Or go again somewhere in Israel. In a Sharon is where I someone is always somewhere now, Sharon is where no ma go somewhere na buragbo for 1 hour. Una is somewhere na buriye me. Una somewhere if una go call me bad friend. Maybe now waiting my friend want make it happen. She wants so many things to be exposed. She wants so many things to be said where everybody they fear to talk. Ijanumati someone na Sharon Buragbo. Use nene burie imi. 1 week ya memu we yoto a boyfriend is where or yo wa wene do alobia ye beti we. Va me we. Sharon is where ono mu we ariogwa. A reason ogumu we ariogwa. Mama you go up WhatsApp group because we keep quiet. Because we don't want to talk. If we know so now go this far. Oh Rihanna. Oh Ria. Oh Ria. Now I have somewhere anywhere when the government review. That girl tried to be everything that she changed her life never to be like her mother. One word days were really a total, you know. What a shame and disgrace. Una when they go to gather money for WhatsApp group, they take carry Sharon go ask. Una go wait to. Sharon talking with him man say he not go fit leave pikin for him mama. Him mama not sabi take care of pikin. Is he a gwagba or more? Now waiting this man go sleep. This man you are shameless. Waiting you go sleep for Sharon house for. Tell me. Tell people, I go call better bloggers when go sabi and ask you. I go give them details upon details. When Sharon they come, I made the ask Sharon, mama, how many times she come hospital? How many times she came to see her child in the coma? Friends, we are coming every day. Day, afternoon and night. Mona asked the mother. How many times she come hospital? I only saw her once on Tuesday. They even forced her to come. I used 700 euro on that 2 days. I have the evidence. When I say bad things, go give those children. Now my friend I do one for. And I know they regret them. But when you're trying to make me look stupid and bad because I'm saying the truth, then everybody go hear for body. He should not be a more bad hospital. On Tuesday, that was the only 2 days the mother came to hospital. Her bar was still open. Her bar was still open. Oh yeah, bar. Oh yeah, bar. If this will relieve me of what is in my mind, the pain in my mind, so be it. Of you when I recommend oh yeah, bar. It just buy my ear Daniel. No, Yakeba. You only came to visit her once. And that day was on Tuesday. And the last day they have to remove everything. What kind of a mother are you? You took a man to that house. Where? Madam, it not go good. It got too red. You see that plan when they plan against Sharon. You don't do that girl rich, and enough is enough. If I come out for you later, it go worst. Me, they call me for forces. Shena, what I talk some more. Now they go to analyze. You and your people when go to analyze, you not go regret some. I know your Samet, they will not know the story. When you just use what she talk. I'm a witness, I was there. Who are we talking about? Who are we talking? Why if you bebore? And why am Sharon so what ya dedicate le lugwa? Who ya fe avembo? Who wa ke mo yo to? E no yugwa mo adiowa. Wa me mieni o da semiro ma mijoma. Wa miewe as your rich your families there when you reach road meets. Families is not only by blood. Person day the way you tell one injustice, you go fight for injustice for them. Una go come tell the word about bloggers. Me wanna ask her why she they carry and they go ask.
Sharon, eh? Oh my God, Godi,
Ma,
Godi, I beg, calm down, off the life. Go there, I beg you. Go there, I beg you. Go there off the life. Go there, I use God to beg you. Calm down. Go there, I beg.
They want to spoil my name. Now my name they
nobody go spoil your name. Go there, I beg. I beg, I use God to beg you. Go there, I beg, I lay down. Just end the life now.
Go the end the live video. End
the live video now.
Yeah.